Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion for project management. First, create a new page in Notion and name it Project Hub. This will be your central dashboard. Next, add a database to this page, selecting the table view to start. This structure helps organize your projects efficiently. Finally, define key properties for your projects, such as project name, status, due date, and priority. These properties are crucial for effective tracking and management. Now, let's build out your core databases. Start by establishing a dedicated projects database where you'll list every initiative. Then, create a separate tasks database to meticulously track all the individual action items required. The magic happens when you link these two. Use a relation property within your tasks database to connect each task directly to its parent project. This ensures everything stays organized and traceable. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on Notion project management helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, for those long project documents or learning new skills, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for reading anywhere. You can find the link to the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. To effectively manage your workload, add crucial properties to your tasks database, including assignee, status, and due date. Next, create various views for your tasks. A board view is excellent for a visual Kanban-style workflow, letting you drag and drop tasks through different stages. Finally, leverage filters and sorts to quickly focus on what matters most, whether it's tasks due this week or those specifically assigned to you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.